Free. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to review this Hush Puppy Blueberry Artificial Flavor Slush. Contain no fruit. Do not microwave. Consume in one serving. Filter water, high fructose protein, and etc. Please, please enjoy. In like it's one serving thing. My half sister Tracy gave me this. I'm gonna try it now. Um, good and tasty, and had different flavors for it. It comes in a this kind of packaging, and it's not just drinking like that. Also had a gas in here, and like that. This Steven, peace out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, ring the bell, comment only, good comment only. This Steven, peace out. And also, one other thing before I say thank you for watching is today is June 19th, to honor all black women, people, and this Steven, peace out. Thank you for watching.